Today, we're going to talk about a common issue that many of us face during the colder months: dry cough. It can be irritating and uncomfortable, but fear not, because I have some fantastic home remedies and treatments to help you find relief. But first, let's understand what causes a dry cough. Dry coughs are often triggered by various factors like allergies, respiratory infections, or irritation in the throat. They tend to be unproductive, meaning you don't bring up mucus when you cough, which can make them quite bothersome. One of the most important steps in managing a dry cough is staying well hydrated. Drinking plenty of water and clear fluids like herbal teas and warm water with honey can help soothe your throat and thin mucus if it's contributing to your cough. Honey and lemon are a classic combination to relieve dry cough. Honey has natural antibacterial properties, while lemon provides vitamin C and can help soothe your throat. Mix a tablespoon of honey with the juice of half a lemon and have it a few times a day. Gargling with warm salt water is another effective home remedy. It can help reduce throat inflammation and discomfort. Just mix a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water, gargle for about 30 seconds, and then spit it out. Steam inhalation can also be incredibly soothing. Boil water, pour it into a bowl, and lean over it while covering your head with a towel to trap the steam. Inhale deeply for about 10 minutes. This can help relieve throat irritation and ease your cough. If you live in a dry climate or have central heating, using a humidifier in your bedroom can add moisture to the air, which may help alleviate your dry cough during the night. Herbal teas like chamomile, ginger, and peppermint can provide relief from a dry cough. These teas have soothing properties that can help calm your throat. Drink them warm for the best results. Cough drops and lozenges can offer quick relief by soothing the throat and suppressing the cough reflex. Keep some handy to use throughout the day as needed. If your cough is particularly troublesome at night, try elevating your head with an extra pillow or by propping up the head of your bed. This can help reduce postnasal drip and lessen nighttime coughing. There you have it, a collection of home remedies and treatments for dry cough. Remember, these remedies can provide relief, but if your cough persists for an extended period or becomes severe, it's crucial to seek medical advice. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. If you have any questions or want to share your own tips, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and take care.